bon, bon. It means good. Bon. The N on the end is a nasal sound. If you say the word bong and then take the G away, bong, that's how you pronounce bon, meaning good. Here's your next word, c'est. C'est. It means it is. C'est. So how would you say in French? It is good. C'est bon. C'est bon. You'll start to notice similarities between French and English words. For example, this word, fantastique. Fantastique. We can probably guess it means fantastic. Fantastique. So how would you say in French? It is fantastic. C'est fantastique. C'est fantastique. Here's another word that looks similar to its English equivalent. Absolument. Absolument. It means absolutely. Absolument. So how would you say in French? It is absolutely fantastic. C'est absolument fantastique. C'est absolument fantastique. So we've had so far bon, meaning good, c'est, meaning it is, fantastique, meaning fantastic, and absolument, which means absolutely. Here's a cute little French word, ici. Ici. It means here. Ici. So how would you say it is here? C'est ici. C'est ici. How would you say it is good here? C'est bon ici. C'est bon ici. How would you say it is fantastic here? C'est fantastique ici. C'est fantastique ici. How would you say in French, it is absolutely fantastic here? C'est absolument fantastique ici. C'est absolument fantastique ici. Here's a word that you might recognize if you've learnt any French before. Très. Très. It means very. Très. So how would you say in French? It is very good. C'est très bon. C'est très bon. So we've had bon, which means good. C'est, which means it is. Fantastique, which means fantastic. Absolument means absolutely. Ici means here. And très means very. So how would you say it is very good here? C'est très bon ici. C'est très bon ici. You might be wondering what that little line is on top of the E in très. It's called an accent. Don't worry about it for the time being. We'll look at it in detail in a later lesson. But just remember to write it on the word très, meaning very. So the word c'est means it is. Well, the opposite of c'est is ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. It means it isn't. Ce n'est pas. So how would you say in French, it isn't here? Ce n'est pas ici. Ce n'est pas ici. It isn't good. Ce n'est pas bon. Ce n'est pas bon. It isn't very good. Ce n'est pas très bon. Ce n'est pas très bon. It isn't fantastic. Ce n'est pas fantastique. Ce n'est pas fantastique. It isn't very good here. Ce n'est pas très bon ici. Ce n'est pas très bon ici. So in this lesson, we've learnt bon, meaning good, c'est, which means it is, fantastique, fantastic, absolument means absolutely, ici means here, très means very, and ce n'est pas means it isn't. You've learnt quite a few words and phrases in French now, and you've hopefully been saying them out loud so you can master the pronunciation. Now, to really embed these words and phrases in your brain, let's do some translations. How would you say in French, it's good? C'est bon. C'est bon. It's absolutely fantastic here. C'est absolument fantastique ici. C'est absolument fantastique ici. It's good here. C'est bon ici. C'est bon ici. Now you might have noticed that the word bon in this sentence, you can hear the N on the end of. C'est bon ici. And that's because when you say the word bon and it's followed by a word that starts with a vowel, so that's A, E, I, O, U, you can pronounce the N more clearly. So you would say c'est bon ici rather than c'est bon ici. So normally the word bon is pronounced with a nasal sound on the end. As I said, if you say the word bong and take the G off, that's how you say bon. But when it's followed by a word that starts with a vowel, you can pronounce the N more. C'est bon ici. How would you say in French, it is very good? C'est très bon. C'est très bon. How would you say, it isn't good here? Ce n'est pas bon ici. Ce n'est pas bon ici. It isn't good. It's fantastic. Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique. Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique. It's fantastic. C'est fantastique. C'est fantastique. It's fantastic here. C'est fantastique ici. C'est fantastique ici. It isn't good here. It's absolutely fantastic. Ce n'est pas bon ici. C'est absolument fantastique. Ce n'est pas bon ici. C'est absolument fantastique. How would you say, it's very good here? C'est très bon ici. C'est très bon ici.